I, Sanjay Kumar, teacher of Jesus and Mary Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City, continue determinant. Now solve some exam exercise on determinant. Question first, evaluate in first row 0 AB square AC square A square B 0 BC square A square C B square C 0. 0 is any multiple of number. Convert C1 by A square, C2 by B square, C3 by C square. Divide first row by A square, whole determinant multiply by A square. Divide second column by B square, whole determinant multiply by B square. Divide third column by C square, whole determinant multiply by C square. 0 बटा A स्क्वायर B बटा A स्क्वायर C बटा A स्क्वायर AB स्क्वायर बटा B स्क्वायर 0 बटा B स्क्वायर C बटा B स्क्वायर AC स्क्वायर बटा C स्क्वायर BC स्क्वायर बटा C स्क्वायर 0 बटा C स्क्वायर. Therefore, A स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर C स्क्वायर 0 A B 0 B C 0. To evaluate any determinant, we try to convert any row or any column two element of any two element of any row or any column becomes 0. We try it. Is C2 written as C2 minus C3, we get 0. A square B square C square 0 A minus A B 0 minus B D C minus 0 equal to A square B square C square 0 A B minus B C 0. Two element in first row convert in 0 and by expanding taking one A square B square C square into plus minus plus A BC minus BC equal to A square B square C square into A BC minus plus BC equal to 2A cubed B cubed C cubed. Here first of all we convert any row or any column, two elements are 0. One element is 0. We convert this 0. First of all, we taking A1 from column first, A square from column first, taking factor B square in column second, taking factor C square in column third. We get A square B square C square 0 BC A0 C A B C. Now C2 convert into C2 minus C3. We get 0 0 A, B minus B B, C C 0. On solving, first element 0, second element 0, third element A, expanding first row by third element plus A, BC minus BC. On solving, get 2A cube B cube C cube. Another question. Express the determinant A in factors where determinant A equal to 1 1 1 A B C A cube B cube C cube equal to A minus B B minus C C minus A plus B plus C. सबसे पहले हम किसी रो या किसी कॉलम के ऑल एलिमेंट पे ट्राई करेंगे कि बस 1 1 1 हो जाए। अगर ऐसा कर लेते हैं तो फिर उसके बाद जो है कोई दो 1 को हम 0 कर दें, ताकि एक रो में दो एलिमेंट जो है अगर 0 हो जाता है तो डिटरमिनेंट को एक्सपेंड करने के लिए एक ही एलिमेंट बचता है, तो हमारा सॉल्यूशन हल्का हो जाता है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कन्वर्ट फर्स्ट टू एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो 0. C1 is written as C1 minus C2 and C2 is written as C2 minus C3. This operation only two operation, केवल दो ही ऑपरेशन एक साथ आप कर सकते हैं। अगर तीन ऑपरेशन एक साथ करेंगे तो किसी भी तरह का डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा। C1 convert into C1 minus C2, C2 convert into C2 minus C3. Then C1 minus C2 1 minus 1 A minus B A cubed minus B cubed, C2 minus C3 1 minus 1 B minus C B cubed minus C cubed 1 C C cubed 1 minus 1 0 A minus B A cubed minus B cubed equal to A minus B A square plus AB plus B square 1 minus 1 0 B minus C B cubed minus C cubed B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square 1 C C cubed. R C1 convert C1 by A minus B, C2 C2 बटा B minus C. We get A minus B, B minus C. Taking A minus factor A minus B in first column, we convert 0 1 A square plus AB plus B square. Taking B minus B C in second column, 0 have any factor multiple of 0. 0 1 B square plus BC plus C square 1 C C cubed equal to A minus B B minus C. Expanding along first column, first row 0 0 1 into 1 1 A square plus AB plus B square 1 B square plus BC plus C square. Equal to A minus B B minus C 1 into this बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी प्लस सी स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इंटू दिस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर, ए माइनस बी माइनस सी, बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी प्लस सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी माइनस बी स्क्वायर। बी स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी माइनस सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी माइनस ए बी प्लस बी सी इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी माइनस सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए स्क्वायर सी माइनस ए इंटू सी प्लस ए माइनस taking b common in both minus b common c minus a equal to a minus b minus c, taking c minus a common in both, we get c plus a plus b equal to a minus b minus c minus a plus b plus c. First of all, we convert 2 0 in any row. First column, first row have 1 1 1. Subtract first column convert into C1 minus C2. C2 convert into C2 minus C3. We get this. On solving, get 0 a minus b, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, 0 b minus c, b cube minus c cube, b minus c, b square plus bc plus c square, 1 c c cube. Taking factor a minus b from column C1, taking factor b minus c from column C2, we get 0 1 a square plus ab plus b square, 0 1 b square plus bc plus c square, 1 c c cube. Expanding along first row, we get a minus b minus c into 1 a square plus b square plus c square, 1 b square plus c square. On solving, we get the result. Now another question. Prove that determinant 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c equal to a b c 1 plus 1 bata a plus 1 bata b plus 1 bata c equal to ABC, AB plus BC plus CA. C1 convert into C1 vata A, C2 convert into C2 vata B, C3 convert C3 vata C. We get A, B, C. C1 is divided by A, whole determinant multiplied by A. C2 is divided by B, whole determinant multiplied by B. C3 is divided by C, whole determinant multiplied by C. C1 is divided by A, we get 1 vata A plus 1, 1 vata A, 1 vata A. C2 is divided by B, we get 1 vata B, 1 vata B plus 1, 1 vata B. C3 is divided by C, we get 1/c plus 1. C1 is written as C1 plus C2 plus C3. We get ABC 1/A plus 1 plus 1/B plus 1/C 1/A plus 1/B plus 1 plus 1/C 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 1/B 1/B plus 1 1/B 1/C 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 plus 1. First column is all element in first column is 1/A plus 1 plus 1/B plus 1/C. Taking out delta equal to ABC into 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 into 1 1 1 1/B 1/B plus 1 1/B 1/C 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 plus 1 equal to A. Now first column, all element in first column is 1 1 1. Now R1 is written as R1 minus R2 and R2 is written as R2 minus R3. We get delta equal to ABC 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 into 1 minus 1 1/B minus 1/B minus 1 1/C minus 1/C 1 minus 1 1/B plus 1 minus 1/B 1/C minus 1/C minus 1 1 1/B 1/C plus 1. Now delta equal to ABC 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 1/B 0 minus 1 1/C plus 1 equal to ABC 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 plus minus plus expanding along first column into 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 equal to ABC 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C plus 1 into 1 minus 0 equal to ABC 1 plus 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C. Prove first part. In second part, ABC multiply this. We get ABC plus ABC by A plus ABC/B plus ABC बटा C, we get 1 BC AC plus A. ABC plus BC plus AC plus AB. First of all, we convert this 1 बटा A, 1 बटा B, 1 बटा C, dividing first column by A, we get 1 बटा A plus 1, 1 बटा A, 1 बटा A. Dividing second column by B, 1 बटा B, 1 बटा B plus 1, 1 बटा B. Dividing third column by C, 1 बटा C, 1 बटा C, 1 बटा C plus 1. And on solving, we get the result. Now next class, we continue the determinant, question of determinant.